Welcome, my dear friend. I'm going to share with you my thoughts about Bitcoin, Ripple, Ethereum, and Binance Coin. I will show you reasons why they rise up. I will show you reasons why Bitcoin trends still continue and where could be next our goal. Also, I will show you our trade which we took on Ripple today and reason about it and reasons why Binance Coin rose up so much. That's why right now you should push like, hit the subscribe button and the bell, because YouTube don't like to share crypto content a lot, but if you want to get all of these updates, just push like. First, let's speak about Bitcoin. Why Bitcoin really important at this moment? Because Bitcoin, it is iconic of all crypto market. And what's going on to Bitcoin with huge possibility with other cryptocurrency pairs follow Bitcoin. And take a look on this data. Take a look on this beautiful data. As you can see, it shows to us a price of Bitcoin and reserves. My friends, take a look how reserves on exchanges drop a lot for the last, as you can see, for the last from April till today. As you can see, reserves on exchanges drop for more than 25%, nearly 25%. It's really huge number. What's the main idea of all of this? People buy Bitcoin and withdraw it from exchanges. It is not a signal for trend change, because if there would be a huge desire to trend change, big guys would need to put their money on exchanges and sell it to retail traders. We would see, if a trend would change, we would see something like this. Reserves increase and in one moment they just sell to retails. And at this moment we don't have it. That means that this trend with huge possibility will continue. And that means if such a trend will continue, that reserves will drop. My friends, we can find a Bitcoin at 100,000. It's a really huge possibility. And at this moment, on TradingView a few days ago, I would like to show my video idea on Bitcoin where I told to trade this trend line, local trend line breakout. And at this moment, Bitcoin just follow up. And at this moment, my friends, just follow the trend. And that's all, because we trade breakout here. It was the trend line. As you can see, Bitcoin retested it. And at this moment, we still hold this buy position. Many of you at this moment would ask me, okay, Yuri, how can I open a position? Should I buy Bitcoin right now? By the way, write in comments, do you have such questions? Do you want to know where to buy Bitcoin, at what price it is the best to do it? If yes, right now in comments, I promise that I personally will reply to you. And at this moment, major idea of all of this, that it is always the best to buy Bitcoins after pullbacks, after 20%, 30% pullback. As you can see, even here on this chart, Bitcoin often show to us deeper pullback. As you can see, 20% here, take a look, 26% here. From this high to this low, 31%, there always would be some pullbacks. And if there would be a pullback to this key level, for me, 41 area, it's really good place to open a position. Because as you can see, a lot of people who open buys, they would protect this key level. That's why any good deep pullback more than 15%, it is good possibility to open buy on Bitcoin. That's all. My friends, if you think it's useful what I told you right now, hit the like button and remember to below this video that you will find a links on our social media. Follow me on Twitter, because on Twitter, Telegram, as you can see, it's our Telegram channel, and Discord. We have free Discord where we share all these ideas, trading plans for free. Example for you today on TradingView, I sent free call on Ripple. Take a look here. Take a look this Ripple. It is entry which I open by here, and also I share it to other people. And take a look how Ripple broke this beautiful trend line. And many people, take a look, those people who follow me on Twitter and those people who follow me, take a look here, who follow me on Telegram, get update and get notification about it. And you also can get it for free. Remember to follow us. Okay, next one, I think next one which deserve to speak, it is Ethereum. Because Ethereum, as you can see here, take a look, Ethereum finally a few days ago broke this huge trend line. About that breakout, as you can see on TradingView, I record a special video on TradingView where I told that Ethereum will break it, and here at 1831 I opened buy position. It's my average price, and still I hold Ethereum's. Main reason why I do it, because Ethereum fundamentally may be one of the best coins which we have, because so many projects built on Ethereum. That's the reason why I hold it. I have a few goals. First one, it is at this trend line, as you can see on a bigger time frame. As you can see, they built this wedge pattern. I don't like it because big guys build it and they maybe want to scare retail traders. But if there would be hit of this key level, I would close part of my position, which I open here. I would close maybe 40%, 50%. Why? I would do it because even if price will go against me, I still will be with money. As a trader, I always close position by parts. That's always was the best strategy. That's why, my friend, I would summarize to you about Ethereum. Right now, global trend bullish. Better to follow those trends. Also remember that if you need updates, if you need good analysis on everyday basis, you should join our VIP room. Below this video there would be contacts and you should write to our team, because every day, take a look, every day we send trading plans, ideas which we trade personally, and so many people, take a look, so many people made huge percentage of profit just because they are inside in our VIP room. That's why right now I'll put a link and you should write, and my team will send you all info about our VIP room. The next one would be BNB, and the last one would be Ripple, because a few things about lawsuit which we need to discuss. Take a look on BNB, my friend. Take a look on beautiful BNB. A few days ago, I told in our VIP room to open buy on BNB. Take a look here, BNB. Take a look even here. Take a look here in our VIP room. We told to open buy position when BNB was at 131, and at this moment BNB rose up to 279. My friends, at this moment I recommend you to wait, because always better to open the positions when you see such ranges. Why? Because ranges, it is a places, as you can see here on this beautiful indicator. It shows to us volume where people traded, and such levels you will have far better accurate entry point with very low predictable risk, because after this huge rise at any time there could be pullback and volatility. At this moment I recommend you to wait, because I think soon Ripple will do Binance coin soon will do a pullback. My friend, if you need more updates about Binance coin, write below in comments that you want to get it, and if there would be a lot of people who really desire it, I promise I will record more video ideas to you. And the last one, it is a Ripple and Ripple lawsuit. Remember to hit the like button, because sponsor of our video is your like button. And about Ripple, today I will tell you local picture and global picture. Local picture, at this moment, as you can see, Ripple broke that trend line. Take a look here. Ripple broke this trend line and this local accumulation. It's really good, because there are huge possibilities that Ripple will continue uprise, because all cryptocurrency market rising, and possibilities that Ripple will follow really huge. What's the main problem with Ripple? It is a Ripple lawsuit. As you can see, at February 22nd, there would be a lawsuit about Ripple, and main problem that it would be only initial pre-trial conference, and everything depends what will be results of this conference, because I have some information from some traders that everything depends on this conference, and if this conference will be, people on this conference will agree it and everything will be good, possibilities that Ripple will rise up to 1 USD or 1 USD 50 cents, really huge. Because if you would compare Ripple to other major cryptocurrency pairs, you would see, take a look, Ethereum. Ethereum already broke its all-time high and broke its accumulation and rose up so much from its low from 88 USD. It's rose up already. Take a look. It's rose up 2000%. Cardano, Cardano, my friends, from its low, it rose up 4,800%. Bitcoin, from its real low, it rose up 1,100%. Binance Coin, even difficult to speak, 4,000%. But Ripple at this moment, as you can see, Ripple still at low, and Ripple rose up only 200%, 260, 250. That means possibility that Ripple also will explode huge, but everything depends what will be the result of this lawsuit. If lawsuit, SEC, Security Exchange Commission, will tell that Ripple is a fraud, price will drop far more. But if they will tell that it's okay, it's good company, you can work, that means price will explode. To be honest, at this moment, if some person will tell you, I know what will be to Ripple, that means they already need to be in position. In other case, they lie to you. I personally don't know what will be, that's why I just wait. As a trader, I will wait for better opportunity where I will have low and predictable risk. My friends, if you think it's really useful what I told you right now, hit the like button, subscribe, and also watch next 2 videos which will help you trade better. Thank you. Bye.